Josie bought 2,500 Commonwealth Bank shares for $75.20 each, and the company paid a full-year dividend of $1.98 per share. How much did the shares cost her? So she's bought 2,500 shares, and each share cost $75.20. So we can calculate that. So let's just make some space on the calculator. And we've got 2,500 multiplied by 75.20, $188,000. If her stockbroker charges brokerage of 1.8%, calculate her brokerage fee. So we want 1.8% of $188,000. Turn this into a decimal by dividing by 100, so that's 0.018 of means times 188,000, so 0.018 multiplied by the last answer gives us $3,384. We now want to calculate her dividend payment. We're told the dividend is $1.98 per share, and she has 2,500 shares. So it's just going to be 2,500 times $1.98. So 2,500 multiplied by $1.98, and that's $4,950. At the end of the year, Josie decides to sell her shares for $78.42 with brokerage of 1.8% again. Calculate her earnings over the year after costs. So it's 2,500 shares she has, and now the price is $78.42. So let's see what she gets for her shares. So that's 2,500 multiplied by 78.42. So that's going to be $196,050. And the brokerage is 1.8%. Now that's going to be based on this figure. So that's going to be 0.018. We're doing the same calculation as here, but with this price. So 196,050. So 0.018 multiplied by 196,050. And that's going to give me $3,528.90. Now we want to calculate her earnings over the year. So her earnings are going to be equal to the income take away the expenditure. So as income, she had the proceeds of the sale and the dividend payment. As expenditure, she had the original cost and the brokerage fees. And that's both lots of brokerage fees. So this one was 3,528.90. And we just need to calculate that. So we have, I'm going to use brackets so it's exactly as I've written it down. So 196,050, add the 4,950, and we want to take away all of the expenses. So that was the $188,000 that she paid for the shares initially, and then we had to pay brokerage fees. This one was brokerage fees on buying, and the $3,528.90 was the brokerage fees when we sold. So over the whole year, that's $6,087.10.